Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Motorola Moto G72. You need to start by opening Play Store on both Motorolas. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, access it. Now, if you want to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select Receive over here at the bottom of your Motorola Moto G72 and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola smartphone. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and when you're ready, choose Send here. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it right now. So I will go with only one photo, just for example. Click on Send and tap on Got It. From here, you need to click on Yes, I agree or No thanks on your Motorola Moto G72. Then choose Close this window and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. If you want to, you can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key on G72. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And simply point your camera at this code. Then wait. If you don't want to do that, you can always click on the back button and input this key over here instead. Then connect by choosing Receive button. Now as you can see, after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!